Hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 19 of GK. So let's begin with chapter number 19 of GK for class 2 and the name of the chapter is Comics World. So जैसे कि हमें पता है कि we all love to read comics, right? और उन comics में बहुत सारे ऐसे interesting stories होती हैं, right? जिनमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा famous और interesting characters भी होते हैं. Right? So in this chapter we all are going to study or read about those comics and those famous characters, right? So let's begin with this. Identify these comic book characters with the help of clues. कि यहाँ पर हमें कुछ क्लूज दिए हुए हैं और उन क्लूज की मदद से हमें उन कॉमिक बुक के कैरेक्टर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. Match them with their names by writing the correct letters in the boxes. So हमें यहाँ पर कुछ अल्फाबेट्स के नीचे कुछ नाम दिए हुए हैं, as you can see both the sides, और सेंटर में हमें कुछ क्लूज भी दिए हुए हैं. So we need to identify these clues from these characters, right? We need to find out the characters from this. So let's begin with the first one, which says a journalist with a dog called Snowy. एक journalist जो हमेशा एक dog के साथ चलता है and the name of the dog is called Snowy. So वो कौन सा character है? We need to find out, and the name of this character is Tintin, right? So Tintin is the correct answer. So we'll write E alphabet over here. After that, next one, a clever thief who loves challenging Batman, right? So let's find out which character can be given over here, and we all can see कि एक clever thief जो बैट्समैन को हमेशा चैलेंज करता है, right? So that answer is Catwoman, right? So let's write G on second statement. After that, third one, Peter Parker, a photographer at a Daily Bugle. तो एक पीटर पार्कर जो कि एक फोटोग्राफर है जो कि डेली बगल पर रहता है. So the answer for this statement is Spider-Man. Obviously Peter Parker जो है वो एक बहुत ही famous character है which is known as Spider-Man, right? So we'll write C on this clue, the third clue. Next one, we have brave warrior in an ancient Gallic village. अब एक ऐसा brave warrior जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ancient Gallic village में रहता था, right? So the answer for this statement is asterisk F. So we are going to write F on this clue. Next, the fifth one. Next one, who says 10,000 thundering typhoons? अब ये कौन कहता था that 10,000 thundering typhoons? ये किसका डायलॉग था, right? So we need to find this out, and the correct answer for this clue is Captain Haddock. Right? So we're going to write Captain Haddock over here, and as it is given on A, so we'll write A in front of this clue. Next comes red turbaned owner of Rocket loves eating watermelon. So एक red turbaned owner है Rocket का, right? जिसको watermelon खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, right? So what is the name of that character? So the name of this character is known as Chacha Chaudhary, right? So we are going to write H over here. After that, the next clue is Clark Kent from the planet. So Clark Kent जो कि planet से belong करता है, so the name of this character is Superman, right? So we are going to write Superman over here as it is given on D option. So let's write D over here. After that, the last clue that we have is the son of a barber in the comic series Peanuts. तो एक बार्बर का बेटा जो कि कॉमिक सीरीज में है जिस सीरीज का नाम है Peanuts, right? So let's find out what is the answer for this, and the name of the character here is Charlie Brown. So let's write B on the last clue. So B is the correct answer for this last one. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you learned more about the comics world, about the characters and so on, right? So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.